Today I'll show you how to make a Lego boat. You'll be needing 2 windshield pieces, a 2x4 plate, and 4 2x4 bricks. I'll take 3 of the 2x4 bricks and place them on the 2x4 plate. Then with this 2x4 brick, I'll place it in the middle. Then with the Lego windshield, I'll put one here and the other one here. And now you are done with your Lego boat. With the Lego minifig, you can take these 2 pieces off and take off the 2x4. And put the windshield pieces back on. Then you can put a Lego minifig on and have it sit.